Kakain tayo ng masarap today, kaya magluluto tayo ng isang dish now with a very versatile sauce. Kaya gawin na natin.
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, haha. Luto na, haha.
So gagawa tayo ng chicken satay, no? Pero let's start off with marinating our chicken. Yung isang chicken breast, ito siya, gagawin pong pang skewers. Tagalin natin yung skin. Yeah. So I will just cut my chicken breast ganyan strips. And you can also use chicken leg quarter fillets, no? Pero ako kasi I really like using chicken breast kasi I like it to be very meaty. Ang importante lang is that you cook it carefully so that you don't overcook it and it turns out dry. I'm adding the chicken tenders here and these other parts of the breast. Yan. Yung skin natin, pwede natin gamitin panggisa, just to render the fat for more flavor. My chicken breast fillets, and I will just like butterfly it a little bit para it cooks quickly, no? Because I'm going to put it as part of my Gado-Gado Salad. Yan. Or you can use a meat mallet if you have one, or just use the back of your knife to flatten it a little bit, no? I will just make the marinade. Just combine everything. Pineapple juice, sugar, soy sauce, or you can use patis, curry powder, grated ginger, and I'm also adding hot sauce or sriracha, and let's also add a little bit of our coconut milk, no, so that it already has a very nice satay flavor. Ito yung nagbibigay ng magandang nutty flavor. We will add our favorite Skippy Peanut Butter, and this time I'll be using the creamy one. And of course, there are certain things kasi like that remind you of your childhood. Oh, look at that, no? Just that's enough, not too much. Yan. And you just like add it there and eat the rest. Happy, di ba? The thing about this peanut butter is when you eat it kasi, it's so smooth, it's so lagkit na parang it reminds you of your childhood. And ito yung favorite ko na ginagamit ko din when we were growing up with jelly. So parang we make our peanut butter jelly sandwiches. So tama lang siya kasi it's not too sweet. No? So you can still add the jam or the jelly without becoming too sweet in your bread. And so I will just divide my marinade into two. So if you want it to be a little bit more parang saltier, you can always add more salt or patis, no? Pero for me, this is fine. And we will leave that to marinate for a while. And the pineapple juice will help speed up the marination. And it's really very, very versatile, no? So if I add it to like a savory dish, I don't have to worry that it's gonna taste like dessert. Yeah. And in the meantime, I will just put that aside and clean up. So I will be working on my dipping sauce / dressing for my Gado-Gado Salad. And ito, this is a very classic Indonesian dish. So ito, I have my chicken skin. Let it render para makuha ko yung fat ng chicken. So ito, you can just use oil, regular oil if you want. Pero ako, I just like to do this extra step kasi additional flavor. Yan. But this time, I will be using the extra crunchy Skippy Peanut Butter. And I really love this. Pwede to sa kare-karim nyo, ha. Nice texture. Before we add it here, very important, you have to taste. Guilty pleasure. Sorry. Kakahiya, no? Takaw, eh. And if you're trying to build muscle, diba perfect siya kasi protein siya. At saka hindi siya matamis. Yan. Nakita mo yung muscle ko. Kaya guys, I suggest, if you buy peanut butter, dapat ganito kalaki. Lalo pag matakaw kayo sa peanut butter. And it's available sa Lazada and Shopee. I'll add my garlic. I have enough oil, no? I don't have to like render the whole thing out. I'll remove the chicken fat. I also saute my curry powder. Yan. And I add my coconut cream or coconut milk. Look at that, no? So, we flavor it with some sugar for sweetness. And I will season with soy sauce to give it a nice darker color. soy sauce. You can add more. I like to mix soy sauce and patis, no? Color and dinamnam. Hot sauce again. So I'm adding my suka. And now, look at that. I will add, ito yung ating secret ingredient na hindi na siya secret ngayon. Ang aking extra crunchy Skippy Peanut Butter. It's smooth than my chunks. Hindi siya yung ruggedy all over, no? I will add black pepper and I got some chili flakes. So, a little bit of patience will, you know, do a lot for flavor development. So, don't rush it. And I will begin grilling my chicken. It's very, very hot. Just a little bit of oil. Yan. Oh, we want to sear it nicely. So, if you want to use this extra marinade, you have to cook it before brushing, ha? Don't brush it directly. So, it's cut into strips. So, you have to spread it evenly like that. Yan. Let's grill it here. Yan. Guys, be sure your hands are clean, ha? And if you marinate this ahead of time, of course, it will taste so much better. So, if you want something different but still very familiar, you try this recipe out. Yan. Yan. Very nice. And let's like turn it over. Yan. Oh, beautiful, no? Yan. Yung chicken satay. And our sauce is done. Our sauce / dressing is done. And I want to taste again. Yeah, it's very important to taste your food so you know it's superb. Yan. It's perfect. Yan. And my chicken fillets are done. Let it rest. Always let your grilled or cooked food rest before slicing. Let it rest while I'm just finishing my satay sticks. Our chicken is done. You will know that it's cooked kasi when you like press on it, it's already firm, no? Are you ready, guys? Happy, happy! Yan. And on the other side, my grilled chicken is ready to be sliced for my Gado-Gado Salad. So we will dice it. Look at all the juices. We will serve it with our dressing. So you pour it over and you toss the salad. And ito na siya, ang ating 2-in-1 recipe. Try this at home. Chicken satay and Gado-Gado salad. Simple!